Tiga. T I G A. Tiga. Hi everyone, my name is Fitriani. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to learn bahasa Indonesia. I am Indonesian, so let's learn with native speaker bahasa Indonesia. So before we start, sebelum kita mulai, I want you to say, saya ingin bilang ke kalian, please say, I can do it. I can do it. You can do it. Kamu pasti bisa. Okay, let's go. Today we are going to learn about numbers, or in bahasa Indonesia we call it angka. Ya, angka, numbers, or nomor. Repeat after me. Nomor. Numbers, angka, numbers, angka, numbers. Okay, I will write it down. I have I have marker in bahasa Indonesia we call it spidol. 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 Repeat after me. Spidol. Okay. I have a book. Saya punya buku, and I will write it for you. Let's write numbers atau angka. Angka. A-N-G-K-A. In bahasa Indonesia, we spell it A-N-G-K-A. Angka. So, you can repeat after me. Angka. A-N-G-K-A. Angka. Okay, can you do it? You can do it. I can do it. Okay, that is our big word. You can do it. Yes, you can do it. Indonesian, bahasa Indonesia, it's very easy and you can do it. Okay, let's learn angka 1 sampai 5. 1 sampai 5. 1, repeat after me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, it's simple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, we write like this. 1, 1. It means 1, 1. 1, S-A-T-U. 1, 1. You can repeat after me. Watch over and over and repeat after me. 1, S-A-T-U. 1, 1. Okay, I can do it. Okay, next. 2, 2. Look at my mouse. 2. It means okay. 2. D-U-A. 2. 2. dua. Okay. Easy, right? Gampang, easy. So easy, sangat gampang. Next. 3. Oke. Oh, ichi. Oke. 3. T I G A. 3. So you can call it 3. 3. 3. 3. Easy? It's very easy. Okay, next. Oh. 4. 4. 4. Okay. Sorry. 4. 4. E M P A T. E M P A T. 4. 4. Some of the people in Indonesia say it empat. But that's okay. As long as you can understand empat or empat. 4. E M P A T. The last one. Oh, too hard. 5 or 5. L I M A. 5. Okay. 5. L I M A. L I M A. 5. Easy. 5. 5. So, repeat after me again. Angka A N G A K. Angka. Okay. The next one is 1. S A T U. 1. Okay. Next. 2. C D U A. 2. 3. 3. T I G A. 3. Okay, next. 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. Same. 4. 4. 4. E M P A T. 4. 4. 5. 5. 5. 5. L I M A. 5. 5. Okay, I want you to say, I can do it. It's very easy. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to share this video. If you like it, you can subscribe, you can like, and you can comment. Give me your masukan, idea, masukan, so we can learn next video. Okay, bye bye.